What is the purpose of this? Close it.
I'm looking forward to the pancake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another quarantine video. Today I want to show you guys a few products that I had ordered online and got delivered. I'll just give you a little sneak peek. They're all in here. So basically most of them are related to skincare because I feel like, especially during this time, everyone's kind of focusing on skincare and just pampering yourself and feeling like a queen. Why not? Now, I'm not going to be showing you guys a demo of like how I use these products because my next video, I actually want to do like a proper skincare routine type video. So make sure you do tune in and that you check it out. Some of these products are actually ones that I have been using for like years, and some are very, very new and I don't even know if they work or like how it's going to react on my skin, so it's going to be a bit of a mix. If you are wondering where I got this from, it's a combination of Sephora and Mecca Maxima. There's a few things, I mean it's not like 100 things, but a few things, so let's go. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is not actually something you put on your face, but it's very important. This is the Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. At the moment, when I'm cleaning my brushes, I'm actually like putting it on my hand and it gets really, really dry. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna indulge and get one of these. Let me just open it so that it doesn't shine all the way. Looks like this. It's like a rubbery mat and it's got different like textures for different types of brushes. So I think down the bottom here, this is for the face brushes and this is for the eye brushes, which are more delicate. These bottom ones are for when you're washing it with soap or whichever. And then this part here is to rinse it off. Oh, it does have these suction cups as well. Let me just take it out, you know. There you go. It's literally like a very thin mat and it's got these suction cups so that you can actually place this on your sink while you do your thing. It's got very helpful how to clean brush instructions. So yeah, if you've been cleaning your brushes on your hands just like me, maybe this is another option so that your hands won't dry out. Next up, I want to show you guys one thing that I have talked about before. It is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Looks like this. It is such a freaking beautiful bottle. I love Clinique in general for skincare. So if you are looking for a nice hydrating moisturizer, highly recommend. This is the lotion. So there is a gel version if you have oily skin. This is more for like combination to dry skin, which is what I have. I have talked about this a lot in my previous videos and on my previous skincare video, and this is still one of my staples. Next is also a Clinique product. I think I have, yeah, there's 3 Clinique products. So the second one that I want to show you guys is this little beauty right here. It is the Clinique Moisture Surge Eye 96 Hour Hydro Filler Concentrate. I got into this late last year and I just love it. It is kind of like a gel, as you can see. It's got these little like green and orange bits in it, which I think one of them is like papaya extract or something. They're not beads, don't worry. They do like squish as it comes out and then you just apply it onto your face. This is really good because it's like a 96-hour hydration for your skin around the eyes, which is really important when you want to reduce or like prevent fine lines. But yeah, love this. So this next one is something that I actually got for free because it was my birthday in March, and Mecca Maxima does these like really cool birthday loop boxes, I think they're called. And it's basically this. So it says, wishing you a beauty-filled birthday. Trust me, it was not beauty-filled at all. So depending on how much you buy, there's like different levels that you are at. I'm still at level 2, just, you know, still a baby. I think if you are on like other levels, then you would get different things. I've just got like 2 sheet masks. One of them is a hydrating hydrogel sheet mask and the other one's a brightening hydrogel sheet mask. I love sheet masks. I feel like it's such a great way to unwind, especially after a long, hard day. I haven't tried the Mecca Cosmetica sheet masks, so I'll definitely enjoy using them. Thanks, Mecca. So next up, I'm going to show you guys a foundation that I haven't really shown you guys on a video, but I have been secretly trying it out just to see what it's like and to see whether it lives up to the hype. I'm not going to tell you the answer to that because I'm going to do a video on it as well. And it is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This is a transfer resistant medium coverage foundation. So this is infused with peach and sweet fig milk. I didn't even know what sweet fig milk would smell like. When I put this on, and this is the only thing that I'm gonna say about this foundation, I don't know, like I can't put my finger on what that smell is taking me back to, but it's literally every time I put it on, it takes me back to when I was a kid. And I don't know why. If you have used this and you know the answer to this, please let me know, because every time I put it on, I'm just like, why? Like, what is it reminding me of? But I just can't figure it out. Anyway, so I got this in the color Sand. But yeah, make sure that you tune in for my next couple of videos because this might be in it. Next up, I've got this beautiful bottle of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the Skin Refresher / Finishing Mist in Cherry Blossom. I didn't just buy this on a whim. I actually am running out of my Fix Plus and I have shown you guys that this is one of my favorites. I feel like this definitely gives you that like overall dewiness that a lot of us are after, and it keeps the makeup intact. Let me just open it up because I don't know what this smells like. It says Cherry Blossom, which is why I wanted it. So let me just mix it up. Always mix it up before you put it on your face. Kind of smells like the one that I have, which is, I think, rose. I mean, the bottle's cute and it does the job, so I'm pretty happy. So the next 2 products are new products that I have never used. Both of these are quite pricey, I think in the like $120, $140 range. So if you are buying it, make sure that it's within your budget and that you think that it's gonna help. So the first one that I'm gonna show you guys is also from Clinique. It's the 3rd product and it is the Clinique Fresh Pressed Daily Booster with Pure Vitamin C. Vitamin C on skin is something that I had recently learned about, and a lot of people are very happy with the results that they've been getting with vitamin C, and I just wanted to give it a go to see if it does make a difference. When you open this, there's 4 little bottles, and this is what one of them looks like. It's got a little tip end, and then at the other end there's a foil. It looks like an intricate surgery, but basically what you have to do is peel this foil, press twice, shake 15 seconds, and then add 2 drops of this into your moisturizer when you use it in the morning and at night. And one of these will last you for 7 days. So I didn't know this when I bought this, or else maybe I would have like looked at other options, purely because vitamin C products are not cheap at all. So I'm gonna use it before I do my next video, just so that I can tell you guys my recommendation of it. There's a lot of promising things about vitamin C products, and hopefully that is what I'm gonna see on my skin as well. And the last product that I have is something very, 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 very exciting, and I have been wanting this for so long. And it is the Skin Gym Face Trainer Beauty Roller. I'm pretty sure you've seen this too on like Instagram, on YouTube videos, people using it. The whole point of this is basically to give your face some exercise. And it kind of tells you on the back like how to use it, how to roll it on the face, forehead, cheeks, chin and neck, jawline, nose. So it's kind of like all round exercise, including your neck, which is really, really important because your neck is a place where a lot of us show aging. Like it's the first sign of aging that people will see. It's not like battery operated or anything, and it's got this bit that kind of rolls, and that's the part that's meant to give your face exercise. And it's got a nice sturdy like chunky handle as well, so that you can have a good grip. So it says you have to use this 5 to 10 minutes daily on the face, neck and body. Oh my god, can you use it on your body? I don't know. You can! Okay, you can also use your beauty roller on other areas such as arms, legs and chest areas. I mean, we can probably like get rid of our chicken flaps, you know what I mean? But yeah, that is the last product that I wanted to show you guys, but this is gonna make a comeback in the next video, as I said. That's basically it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed me kind of unwrapping my gifts to myself. Sometimes you just have to pamper yourself. Just do it. Very excited to use some of these products that I haven't used before, and I will make sure to tell you guys how I go with them. Before I go, the lipstick that I'm wearing is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Star Woman. Every time I wear this, I get comments asking what lip color this is, so that is it. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are happy and coping okay. If you're not, make sure you reach out and you talk to somebody, because you are definitely not alone. Love you guys as always, and I will see you with another video very soon. Like and subscribe. Bye.